Parrot symbolism and myths. Cultural beliefs, omens, wisdom, mischief. Symbol of love, loyalty, communication. Dream interpretation and spiritual totems. Misunderstandings, not all parrots speak. 15 Fascinating facts. Longest-lived parrots, up to 80+ years. Loudest bird title, Moluccan cockatoo. Brightest colored parrot species. Fastest flying parrot. Parrot names for each other. 16 Conclusion. The wonder and diversity of parrots. Their role in ecosystems and human hearts. Final thoughts on protecting and respecting them. Introduction. Overview of parrots' popularity in science, media, and culture. What sets parrots apart from other birds? A glimpse into their intelligence, colors, and mystery. 2. Parrot classification and evolution. Order Citizines, 3 families. Ancient parrot fossils, earliest known ancestors. Evolutionary adaptation for tree-living and strong beaks. Phylogenetic relationships with other birds. 3. Physical characteristics. Beaks, strength, shape, keratin layers, and use. Zygodactyl foot dexterity and structure. Feathers, structure, pigmentation versus structural colors. Eyesight, UV vision and night perception. Internal anatomy, unique respiratory system and brain structure. Tail variations across species. Sexual dimorphism in select species, e.g., Eclectus. 4. Diversity of parrot species. Detailed profiles. Macaws, hyacinth, scarlet, blue and gold. Cockatoos, umbrella, sulfur-crested, major Mitchells. African greys, Timna versus. Congo. Budgies and ringneck parakeets. Canas, sun, green-cheeked, Nande. Amazons, yellow-naped, blue-fronted. Eclectus, color inversion between genders. Lovebirds, peach-faced, fishers. Lorikeets, rainbow lorikeet and their brush tongue. Extinct and endangered parrots, Spix's macaw, Carolina parakeet. 5. Geographic distribution and habitat. Tropical and subtropical regions. Asia, Africa, and Central and South America. Island endemics, New Zealand's kakapo and kia. Urban adaptation of parrots, feral populations in cities. Seasonal migrations in some species. 6. Diet and feeding ecology. Wild diet, fruit, seeds, nuts, berries, blossoms, nectar, insects. Beak adaptations for cracking seeds and climbing. Foraging techniques and food caching. Specialized feeders, lorikeets with brush tongues. Parrot digestion, crop and gizzard rolls. 7. Communication and intelligence. Vocal learning, how parrots mimic human speech. Brain anatomy, the parrot song system. Social communication in wild flocks. Cognitive abilities, memory, counting, understanding syntax. Famous parrots, Alex, Einstein, Apollo. Case studies from animal cognition research. 8. Social behavior. Importance of flocking, safety, socialization. Play behavior and its role in learning. Pair bonding, mate grooming, and lifelong bonds. Hierarchies and territoriality. 9. Reproduction and breeding dances, regurgitation, and calls are courtship rituals. Nesting preferences, hollows, cliffs, termite mounds. Incubation periods and chick development stages. Fledging, weaning, and independence. Breeding in captivity versus wild. 10. Parrots as pets. Popularity and appeal. Ideal species for beginners versus experts. Ethical considerations of buying versus adopting. Challenges, noise, mess, time commitment. Daily care, diet, cage, hygiene, mental stimulation. Behavioral issues, feather plucking, aggression. 11. Parrot training and enrichment. Positive reinforcement techniques. Target training and clicker training. Teaching tricks and speech. toys, puzzles, and the ultimate 10,000-word primer on one of the most fascinating bird families, Parrot Facts Introduction, The Colorful World of Parrots. Parrots are among the most remarkable birds on Earth. They have captivated humans for centuries due to their impressive mimicry, intelligence, and vivid coloration. Parrots thrive in a variety of ecosystems, including open woodlands in Australia and dense rainforests in South America. But there's more to their bright feathers and quirky behavior than meets the eye. This article is dedicated to uncovering the most intriguing, little-known, and essential facts about parrots. Whether you're a curious reader, a parrot owner, or a budding ornithologist, these insights will open your eyes to the incredible complexity of these birds. Parrots, which can be found in more than 390 species all over the world, are more than just pretty faces. They are also thinkers, problem solvers, partners for life, and even cultural icons. 1. Diversity and taxonomy of parrots. 1.1 There are more than 390 distinct species of parrots. There are more than 390 species of parrots that have been scientifically categorized as belonging to the order Psittacines. These are spread across three major families. Psittacidae, or genuine parrots. Cockatooidae, cockatoos. Strigopidae, New Zealand parrots like the kakapo and kia. 1.2 With the exception of Antarctica, they can be found everywhere. The majority of places where parrots live are tropical and subtropical. South America, Australia, Africa, and Southeast Asia host the highest diversity. Cities like London, Miami, and Los Angeles also have populations of wild, feral parrots, which are escapes from captivity and have adapted to urban life. 1.3 The sizes of parrots vary greatly. The smallest parrot is the buff-faced pygmy parrot, Microcetipuzio, of Papua New Guinea, measuring only about 3 inches long and weighing around 10 grams. On the other end of the spectrum, the hyacinth macaw, Anodorhynchus hyacinthinus, is the largest flying parrot, reaching up to 40 inches in length and weighing over 1.2 kilograms. 2. Physical features and adaptations. 2.1 Parrots have zygodactyl feet. Parrots have a unique toe arrangement called zygodactyly, 2 toes point forward, and 2 point backward. This gives them exceptional grip, allowing them to climb trees, grasp objects, and even hold food in 1 foot while eating. 2.2 Their beaks are like Swiss Army knives. Parrots strong, curved beaks serve parrots strong, curved beaks serve multiple purposes. Cracking nuts and seeds. Climbing and balancing. Feeding chicks. Chewing wood and bark. The beak is covered with a keratin layer that continually grows and self-maintains through natural wear. 2.3 Their tongues are surprisingly dexterous. Many parrots